Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friend, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss new topic orthogonal trajectory. Now first we define a trajectory. Trajectory. What is trajectory? Trajectory is a curve which is cuts every member of given family of curves according to some given law is called the trajectory. Okay. Now define a curve which cuts every member of a given family of curves or surfaces according to some given law is called the trajectory. Of the given family of curves, of the given family of the curves. Okay student, now define. First we take a family of curves or surfaces, then here a curves which is cut every member of the family of curves of surface according to a given law, then given curve or drawing curve is known as trajectory of the given family of curves. Now define orthogonal trajectory. Orthogonal trajectory. The change in trajectory here the cuts every member of family of the curves according to given law, that is orthogonality. Then trajectory is known as orthogonal trajectory. That is, we can say if a curve cuts every member of a given family of curves at right angle that is 90 degree, it is called an orthogonal trajectory of a given family of curves. Given family of curves. Okay student. Now next definition, oblique trajectory. Oblique trajectory if a given curve, if a curve cuts every member of a given family of curves at an angle except theta is not equal to 90, okay, comma, it is called an oblique trajectory of given family of curves. Okay. Now determine an article of oblique trajectory in Cartesian coordinate. Now adding oblique trajectory Cartesian coordinate. Let us suppose that the given family of curves be f x y c is equal to 0 represented by equation number first, where c is a parameter. C is a parameter here. Now we can draw the family of curves, one member okay. This is the point P. Now this is trajectory, this is the point P. We draw a tangent at point P of given family of curves CUR VS. This is point Q. Similarly, we draw a tangent PT dash which makes angle psi 2 of x axis. This is the y axis, this is the x axis, and a tangent which is drawn at point P makes an angle psi with x axis psi 1. Both tangent PT and PT dash, angle between them is theta. Okay. repeat again. PQ is a family of curves, and this is the PQ dash. This is the orthogonal trajectory. We draw at point P a tangent PT makes an angle with horizontal psi 1, and similarly we draw a tangent of trajectory at point P, PT dash makes an angle with horizontal psi 2. Okay. Now differentiate family of curves with respect to x. Okay. Now del f upon del x plus del f upon del y dy upon dx, this is equal to 0. This is represented by equation number 2. Now eliminate a parametric term c between equation first and second. We get the differential equation of given family of the curves. Okay. Eliminate c between equation first and equation 2. We get the differential equation. We get the differential equation of the given family of curves such that g x y dy dx is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. But psi 1 is the angle of tangent at curve with x. Since psi 1 is angle of tangent at curve with x-axis, then we can write tan psi 1 is equal to dy dx. Okay. We will represent equation number 4. Let us suppose that xy, capital XY, be the current coordinate of any point, be the current coordinate of any point of a trajectory, say P, psi 2 is angle between tangent PT dash, psi 2 is angle psi 2 is angle of PT dash with horizontal that is, we can write tan psi 2 equal the capital dy upon dx. This is represented by equation number 5. But theta is the angle between PT and PT dash. But theta is angle between PT and PT dash. then we can write tan theta equal small dy upon dx minus capital dy upon dx upon 1 plus small dy upon dx into capital dy upon dx. Okay. Now by cross multiply and solving them, we get value of small dy upon dx after solving. Capital dy upon dx plus tan theta upon 1 minus capital dy upon dx into tan theta. Okay, this is represented by equation number 6. Okay, now at current point we get differential equation of the required family of curves, differential equation of trajectory of required family of curves can be written as G capital X comma capital Y comma capital dy dx plus tan theta upon 1 minus capital dy dx into tan theta is equal to 0. This is represented by, say, equation number 7. Equation number 7 is the required oblique trajectory equation of given family of surface or curves, which is represented by equation number 1. Okay, student? Now, this is the oblique trajectory in Cartesian coordinate. Now we define orthogonal trajectory in Cartesian coordinate. Orthogonal trajectory in Cartesian coordinate. Okay. Let PT and PT dash intersect orthogonally, that is theta is equal to pi by 2. Therefore tan psi 1 into tan psi 2 will be minus 1, that is small dy upon dx into capital dy upon dx equal is minus 1. Therefore the value of small dy dx equal minus capital dx upon dy. Okay. Say this is represented by equation number 8. Now we can write orthogonal trajectory can be written as then orthogonal trajectory can be written as g x comma y comma minus dx upon dy, this is equal to 0. Okay, student? This is the differential equation of orthogonal trajectory in Cartesian form. Now we can solve one problem. The problem is find the orthogonal trajectory trajectory of the system of curves dy dx whole square is equal to a upon x. Now answer. Given differential equation of curve is dy dx का whole square is equal to a upon x. Okay, this is equation number first. Here a is constant. Here a is constant. Now for orthogonal trajectory we replace dy dx equal minus dx upon dy. Okay, that is minus in equation number first dx upon dy whole square equal to a upon x. For orthogonal trajectory we replace dy dx is equal to minus dx upon dy in equation number first, that is dx upon dy is equal to a upon x whole power half plus minus, that is dy upon dx is equal to x to the power half upon a to the power half plus minus. Okay, now variable separable dy is equal to plus minus x to the power half a to the power half dx and integrate, then by integration dy plus any constant c equal to plus minus a to the power half x to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Now cross multiplied and squaring 9a into y plus c का whole square is equal to 4x cube. Okay, where c is parameter, where c is okay. This is the required orthogonal trajectory of given system of curves. Okay student, this is the complete solution.